So, Stuart, the summary for today was on the range. We looked at getting the draw a bit more predictable, and key distinction was that to stop using towing in or closing the club face at address as a strategy, because the club face needs to be slightly open to target in order to hit a push draw, and it's only that the path is further right than that that gets the draw. So it was actually making the left hand grip sort of 2.5 knuckles, so just turning it slightly clockwise, which is what got a nailed on draw, which is where you don't have to flick the hands to be able to do it. And if you aimed up according to that, it produced a fairly instant result. So in the future, if the ball isn't drawing or fading slightly to the right, just go immediately to left hand grip to see if you can resolve it. Right hand grip, we want the kind of get those pincer fingers just a bit more involved on the handle. And then on the golf course, I think the most important thing that we looked at, other than simply applying that process and applying the problem solving process of what did the club do to cause the ball flight that you just hit, was the round the clock green reading analogy, which is where you established where directly downhill was. So the 12 o'clock and 6 o'clock being directly uphill, and then figured out where on that circle you are in relation to it. So you're at 3 o'clock, you're at 9 o'clock. But the test is that the first bit of practice is to make sure that you are getting good at identifying the 12 o'clock position, that kind of fall line where you roll the ball down there, and if you're in 12 o'clock, there is no movement off that line. And then you can establish whether you're 11 or 1 o'clock, and again, it helps you more easily pick up on minor breaks.